Looking outside now, oh boy, Craig, you got the lucky draw today because you get to stand outside in the beautiful sunshine.
Oh, no kidding. A lot better than my first job. I was sacking groceries at the supermarket. But yeah, look at this glorious weather out here today as we look out from the rooftop here in SoDo. There's downtown Seattle. Remember, you're going to need the sunscreen. Perhaps it's expired. Make sure your sunscreen is fresh. Sunglasses I forgot because we've got record-breaking heat right around the corner. Let's get started. Let me show you what we have. A couple of pictures. We'll start off with a live shot in Everett where there's plenty of sunshine just about everywhere. A nice breeze blowing through. And then take a look at Paradise. Boy, that is gorgeous. Lots of sunshine there. Still a little bit of snow on the ground. And then a beautiful shot as we look out toward Hurricane Ridge. Very nice as well. Lots of sunshine, just a few clouds off in the distance. Temperature-wise, look at all the 60s and 70s just about everywhere. I hope you are enjoying the sunshine. By the way, tomorrow, you know, we talk about these nice long days. Sunrise at 5:43, sunset at 8:30 tomorrow. Look off in the distance to the right side of your screen. Oh yeah, the mountain is out. Send us pictures if you have them as well. Maybe they're beauty shots, maybe it's your pets. Let us know what's going on. By the way, the pollen count is low. We're talking about trees, grass, and weeds. So I know a lot of you are out and about enjoying the weather. Allergies could be acting up a little bit at this time as well. Sun comes out, things are just kind of blooming and popping. Now this high pressure that's been with us continues to expand, head up to the north, and the winds continue to come in out of the north and northeast. Very light, but we will see more sunshine on Wednesday. We will start the morning with mid-50s. So you know when you start the morning at that temperature, that's just a springboard of where you have to go. Now potential records will fall on Thursday and Friday with low to mid-80s, and some of the warmer spots will be closer to 90 degrees potentially, upper 80s by the time we get into Friday. Water temperature, oh yeah, it's a little chilly, as you know, in Puget Sound, 48 degrees. Now Lake Washington, Lake Sammamish, not all that bad, right? About 60 degrees or so, same for Lake Union. So if you're gonna be out on the lake, just be aware, you know it is chilly. Overnight lows, again, we talked about those 50s tonight, highs tomorrow, once again, back up into the 60s and 70s, sunshine everywhere. Boy, we are the envy, especially when you talk about Southern California, the Rockies, they've got some rain. We'll continue with those 80s tomorrow. 7-day forecast, expect the warmest day to be on Friday. Mark and Lori, boy, enjoy the sunshine. Send us those pictures. We want to know what's going on in your life as this weather continues to beam down on us. Back to you.